Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
बॉलीवुड टॉक शो IWM बस वंस अगेन. मुझे बहुत मजा आ रहा है. द नेचुरल ध्वनि 1 बिलियन. मैंने आपको पहले भी बोला है कि यू आर लाइक द बिलियनर गर्ल. तब आई थिंक सितंबर था. ले जा रे एंड वास्ते हैड कंप्लीटेड 1 बिलियन टुगेदर. ऑलमोस्ट 1 ईयर डाउन द लाइन वास्ते अकेले ने 1 बिलियन हिट कर दिया. आई मीन व्हाट इज इट अबाउट मैन? आई मीन एक साल में लाइक आई थिंक 2020 में सब कुछ पीछे गया है, लेकिन आपके लिए एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग स्मूथ, आगे आ गया. सो व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से ऑन दिस?
आई थिंक 2019 बहुत अच्छा था, इसलिए वो कैरी फॉरवर्ड हुआ है 2020 लेटर हाफ, आई मीन द अदर हाफ, व्हिच इज प्रीटी गुड एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट लोगों ने गाना इतना पसंद किया कि वो आज 1 बिलियन है. एंड मैं अपने आप को बहुत लकी महसूस फील करती हूँ. मेरा हिंदी थोड़ा वियर्ड है, सॉरी. मैं अपने आप को बहुत लकी मानती हूँ कि ये मेरे साथ हुआ है. एंड आई जस्ट होप कि ऐसा सब आर्टिस्ट के साथ हो, सारे टैलेंटेड आर्टिस्ट के साथ हो, इतनी ही उनको सक्सेस मिले. एंड मुझसे भी ज्यादा अगर
दिलदार आर्टिस्ट है हमारी यहाँ पे. शी इज विशिंग गुड फॉर हरसेल्फ, शी इज आल्सो विशिंग गुड फॉर अदर्स.
It should happen, nah, dude. It's a holistic. Of course. It has to. Everyone has to grow. I can't grow alone.
Exactly. It's like everybody grows together, then the overall quality gets better, and it's just a visual and amazing delight for all the fans. मुझे अभी जो चीज जानना है from your end is the fact कि when you sing, obviously every artist has that one probably source जहाँ से उनको inspiration मिलता है to create good content, to create good music. So what is that source of inspiration for Dhwani Bhanushali, जिसके वजह से she gets the inspiration to come up with good music and entertain her fans? Do you have any such inspiration for yourself?
I keep I keep watching videos on YouTube of several artists and on a daily basis.
Yeah.
और मैं ऐसे गाने सुनती रहती हूँ like Unstoppable by Sia, and Look at Her Now by Selena Gomez. ऐसे में गाने सुनती रहती हूँ और मुझे इंस्पिरेशन आती रहती है, मोटिवेशन आती रहती है. इंस्पिरेशन नहीं कहूँगी, मोटिवेशन आती रहती है कि कुछ अलग करते हैं, आज भी इतनी मेहनत करते हैं. और रोज वो किक आती रहती है कि now let's start working on something new, let's do something nice, let's do something innovative, let's do something fun.
मुझे अभी एक बात बताओ कि obviously the last few months have been obviously very difficult for all of us. Obviously the creative side has not stopped, which is why work is happening, songs are coming, everything is going that way. But on a personal side, how has things been for you? Because obviously घर पे रहने के अलावा ज्यादा कुछ option है नहीं. So how you actually handle the overall stress and atmosphere?
The months I was home, I was first month, so I was kind of upset कि like everyone, I think abhi life has completely stopped. And I used to be everywhere. Like I used to literally get out of the house in the morning and come at night every day. और वो हो नहीं रहा था. So I was first month I was very like ऐसा little sad कि क्या करूँ. But then I started doing my classes online or on Zoom calls like you and I doing an interview right now. I started doing digital lives on Instagram, talking to people. I shot a video called Jeetenge Hum at home. So all of this I was doing, and I was working on songs. And what else was I doing? We made Baby Girl in lockdown, yeah.
Of course. I was coming to that. And you're talking about Baby Girl. Obviously, it's a huge hit. There are good numbers there as well. People have liked the song. Guru and you have rocked it. But it's not the first time. Obviously, इसके पहले भी you and Guru have come together. So ये जो एक hit funda already बन चुका है for the audience. Every time you both come together for a song, it becomes a hit. So ये क्या कुछ मतलब फंडा है या फिर you guys have realized या फिर you both just admire each other's talent so much you want to come together all the way for
admire each other's talent. I think I love Guru as an artist, and he's a complete package. And I'm very happy that he decided to that he wanted to collaborate with me, and I was equally thrilled. And what to say? Yeah, he's a very nice guy. He's also a very talented musician. He's also a very talented everything. So it's always fun to collaborate with him. After Ishare Tere, it's been 2 years. We're back with Baby Girl, and people love watching us together, which is a damn good thing.
So at the moment, we can only hope that the next time you guys come together, I hope it's not as long as 2 years, so maybe before than that.
Yeah, definitely. We've planned already. I'm just kidding.
क्या बात?
We haven't.
क्या? Okay, when a child achieves any form of success, उनके parents के लिए वो एक बहुत ही खुशी का चीज होता है. You are like the first girl who has achieved this kind of a feat. I'm pretty sure your parents must have said
Out of
some
girl,
really
boy, everything, I think.
yes, of course, you must highlight that. Of course, why not? But it's a
Girl boy
a
क्या
feat.
होता है? Girl boy क्या होता है? मेरे को समझते नहीं. कोई difference नहीं है इस चीज में.
Then it's an artist
लड़के कर
overall.
सकते हो, लड़कियां भी कर सकती है.
Absolutely, artist overall. But what I'm trying to say is the fact that when a child or when an artist does well, their parents are the happiest because they have seen their growth throughout. So when you achieve this kind of a feat, what were the first things that your parents told you?
My parents try to normalize everything for me so that it doesn't go into my head.
Okay.
They get happy, but they don't get that happy also that that makes me feel like, "Arey, kuch ho gayi hu main." So they will always normalize things for me. They were happy, and the news came out in the morning. I think my dad saw, and then he told me, and we instantly started crying, both of us.
Yeah.
We only cried the whole day. खुशी के आंसू.
Yeah.
So एक दिन हमने बहुत उस चीज को इम्बाइब करने की कोशिश की, अब्सॉर्ब करने की कोशिश की, बट वो नहीं हो रहा था, तो हम फिर उसके बारे में भूल गए. हम सिर्फ खुशी मना रहे हैं in terms of 1 billion, and it's also the most, I think, viewed in the whole world, one of the most viewed in the world, and it's the only Indian song to do that, which is also very difficult to digest.
It's also I think the only song that has hit the YouTube Rewind thing, no?
Yeah.
So I was missing out on that, correct? So there are a lot of stats on going your way over there.
Yeah, so it's very essential to not take it to your head. So my parents keep it happy, but then they're like, "Acha, now you have to focus on other stuff. Matlab, focus on what's going to happen in the future."
Exactly. So it's like जो हुआ है, let's move on from there. अभी अगर 1 billion हुआ है, तो next time पे I hope, इंशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह, आपके लिए 2 billion हो जाए. So that is what it is always. But obviously the songs are there, and as you said that they're happy. It's been a productive year so far. You don't really know what's gonna. I mean, this pandemic situation, obviously, हम लोग को लगा था कि यार जल्दी खत्म होने वाला है. अभी तो ऐसा नहीं लगता. So how do you actually carry forward, or how do you actually plan to take forward your music? Do you have any interesting other plans to kind of better the way you have been doing, because the situation is not normal. You cannot go out to perform in live concerts, which you used to do earlier. These are the things, these are certain limitations that you are having as an artist. So how do you plan to counter all that? Do you have anything in mind?
It's wrong with me. Anyway, I just want to say that we'll have to find other ways to reach out to our audience and to kind of earn money. But I think धीरे धीरे it will happen. आदमी हर प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन खोज ही लेता है at the end of it. तो कुछ ना कुछ तो निकल ही आएगा. अभी मुझे नहीं पता. Right now I'm just focusing on songs and trying to give them the best I can in terms of music and in terms of videos.
And exactly, and I think that's all the audience needs from your end. Baki sir, everything will take care of itself, I hope.
Yeah.
But that's all that matters. We have talked about songs. One other thing that people really appreciate is your fashion sense. Okay? So the first question, it's called the IWM Bus Special Style segment. It's called Ishtyle. So that's how we call it. So that's the name. Okay, so the first question that I have in this segment for you, Dhwani, is what, according to you, is style? How do you define style in one word?
I genuinely think you have to be comfortable in what you wear.
Yeah.
You will always see me in baggy jeans and a top.
Yeah.
A crop top, not a crop top when I think I've gained a little bit on my tummy.
But it doesn't matter, Dhwani. Come on, if
nothing
you take
like
my
that. Like if you feel comfortable in that, you can rock crop tops.
Absolutely, you can rock, slay everything. Yeah.
Yeah, you can rock, slay everything. I'm all for body positivity.
Yeah.
And like I'm always in loose clothes. Otherwise, like apart from my videos, I'm always in comfortable clothes, baggy clothes, fun clothes.
Yeah. And that's what it is. At the end of the day, it's all about comfort. I think you mentioned it in the very first part of your answer. The next question that I have for you is, it's I think going to be a little difficult because there are many, I believe. favorite item in your wardrobe right now? Can you pick just one?
Yeah, I love my baggy jeans. I wore it for this baby girl also.
Yeah, I saw.
वो red top के नीचे.
Yes. Okay. So ये काफी interesting and हटके सवाल है. I guess it will be everything for you. But then if you had to just pick up one, what is that one kind of style that makes you feel sexy about yourself? So what does
I
Dhwani
feel sexy in
Bhanushali?
everything. I feel sexy in a baggy pant. I feel sexy
Yeah.
in like
That's what I said.
crop top. I feel sexy in a dress. I feel sexy all the time.
Yeah.
I feel sexy in a hoodie also.
Yeah.
It's all in here.
Right. Okay. So do you have any fashion inspiration in particular, or you kind of like, see everything that's going around and, kind of take your own cues from there? Do you have any particular fashion inspiration?
Not really, like I'm not a person that will put a lot of effort into dressing myself. It has to be effortless. It has to be what you are.
Yeah.
So, but I genuinely, I try to see things that, people do.
Yeah.
Like the makeup people do.
Yeah.
But I sometimes cannot mimic it. So at the end of the day, I just put like a blush here.
Yeah.
And lip tint, and that's it.
And उससे अगर काम चल जाता है तो ज़्यादा मेहनत क्यों करने का? Simple as that.
Right.
Okay. Okay. The next question is, कि what would be your dress to kill for a perfect date? तो अगर किसी date पे आपको जाना है, तो what would be like that ideal wear for you?
The same, yeah, dude. My date. No, I need to see. Wait 1 second. Like a nice dress. And
that works
sling
always.
bag, and like if the guy is taller, then heels. If not, please wear kids.
Okay, I'll
but
take
it's okay.
that.
You can wear heels also. Doesn't matter. You shouldn't care.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. अभी आपको सिर्फ choose करना है दोनों option में से कोई एक. Jackets or hats?
Jackets.
Okay. Sweatshirts or shirts?
Sweatshirts.
Indian or Western?
Both.
Okay. Favorite beachwear fashion? This has got you
Maxi
thinking.
dresses, flowy ones.
Nice pick. Okay, so the last one before we wrap up, and your fans will be very happy to hear this out. Fashion advice for your fans?
Like I said, be comfortable. जो पहनना है पहनो.
किसी की परवाह मत करो, जो पहनना है पहनो, जिसमें खुद को मजा आता है वो पहनो. Simple.
जिसमें अच्छा लगता है वो पहनो.
Yeah. And just follow this attitude from Dhwani Bhanushali if you're a real Dhwani Bhanushali fan, huh?
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Dhwani. लेकिन खत्म तो हो गया ये सवालों का सिलसिला. लेकिन before we wrap up, actually, we're celebrating 1 billion, views of Vaste. So how can I let you go without 2 to 3 lines of Vaste?
वास्ते जाबी दो, मैं गवाई माँ भी दो, किस्मतों का लिखा मोड़ दूं.
Perfect. Thank you so much for this. Thank you so much,
buddy.
and I wish you all the best for everything that you do.
Thank you.
And see you soon.
So
And
nice
many
to see you
congratulations. Many more
Thank
to come.
you.
It's always
Thank
a pleasure. Thank you so much.